Okay, so you're working for a large organization, and then the leadership team announces that they are restructuring or right-sizing the organization. What's the first thing that springs to mind for you in that moment? When I canvass people, almost always it's something to do with jobs. And almost always the next step beyond that is my job. And so what that does is it puts people into a sense of fear, a sense of self-protection, which, especially if you're running a transformation as part of this, is the absolute opposite of what you want. So how can you change that? How can you put it in a different way? Well, firstly, remember that language is powerful. There used to be that lovely saying when we were growing up, sticks and stones will break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Well, we know that is not true. So the way you use language, the words you use matters. So imagine, for example, using words more like, we are going to be adapting this organization to stay ahead of the competition. Does that sound better? Does that sound slightly more positive? Same thing, just put in a different way. But the key to all of this is how you present the situation sets off a whole chain reaction. Because quite often what happens is that in the first scenario, when you've just announced a restructuring, I can guarantee around those coffee machines, around those water coolers, on the little team side chats, there will be plenty of murmurings. And those murmurings will be undermining your ability to get your change, project, program, or transformation done. So be careful with your language.